Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we studied some fundamental software design concept. In this lecture, we are going to learn the other fundamental concepts such as the first one is the refinement. So what is refinement? It is a stepwise refinement is a top-down design strategy originally proposed by Nicholas Wirth. A program is developed by successfully refining levels of procedural details. A hierarchy is developed by decomposing a macroscopic statement of a function. Refinement is actually a process of elaboration that is defined at a high level of abstraction. The statement describes function or information conceptually but provides no information about the internal working of the function or the internal structure of the data. Refinement causes the designer to elaborate on the original statement, providing more and more detail as each successive refinement occurs. Abstraction and refinements are complementary concepts. Abstraction enables a designer to specify procedures and data and yet suppress low-level details. So the refinements helps the designer to reveal low-level detail as design progress. Both concepts aid the designer in creating a complete design model as the design evolves. So this is open. If we take the refinement examples, if we are going to open the door, then there are the some functionals. This is nothing but your abstraction. And what is your refinement? So the abstraction is walk to the door, reach for the knob, open the door and walk through the closed door. If it is the refinement, then it is as repeat until door opens, turn knob clockwise. If knob doesn't turn, then take key out, find correct key, insert in lock. That is next, if it is okay, pull or push the door, move out of the way and repeat. So this is all your refinement and your abstraction. So next one is a functional independencies. So what is the functional independencies then? So the functional independence is a direct outgrowth of modularity and the concepts of abstraction and information hiding. So it is developed by or developing models with a single-minded functions and an aversion to excessive interaction with other models. It consists of the two things such as the cohesion and the coupling. Cohesion is an indication of the relative functional strength of the model, that is, a cohesive models perform a single task requiring little interaction with other components in other parts of a program. Stated simply, a cohesive model should, that is ideally, do just one thing. What is coupling then? It is an indication of the relative interdependencies among modules, that is, coupling depends on the interface complexity between modules, the point at which entry or references is made to the module, and what data pass across the interface. So this is the cohesion and the coupling. And the next one is the aspect. If we consider two requirements, that is A and B, requirement A cross-cuts requirement B if a software decomposition has been chosen in which B cannot be satisfied without taking A into account. An aspect is a representation of a cross-cutting concern. So basically the aspect, if you are going to divide your model into two parts and if one is dependent on another, then for providing or for providing the connection between your two divided parts, you need aspects. Now so this is overall our the functional design or the fundamental software design concepts of software engineering. We will see next part in next lecture. Thank you.